Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have Laravel and Composer. Now start by adding the AI SDK and securing credentials. First, add the vendor package with Composer and register any service provider. Next, place your provider API key into env and reference it via config/services. PHP so you avoid hardcoding. Once done, publish vendor configs, then run PHP artisan config cache. These steps ensure Laravel can talk to the model securely and consistently across environments without leaking keys. Now wire AI into your app logic. Create a typed AI service that encapsulates prompts, temperature, and token limits so controllers stay simple. Inject that service into controllers, validate requests with a form request, and map user input into structured prompts. Make sure to handle async or queue jobs for longer tasks. Dispatch jobs with retry policies and throttling. Also normalize responses into DTOs so views or APIs get consistent shapes, which simplifies debugging and future model swaps. Finally, solidify reliability. Write unit tests that mock the SDK and an integration test against a sandbox. Instrument latency and error metrics. Add a circuit breaker to avoid cascading failures when the API is unhealthy. Deploy with environment-specific configs and run migrations. If something breaks, first confirm. Env keys and network access, then check request timeouts and model token limits. Often truncated prompts or missing keys are the cause. Make sure retry and backoff are tuned to avoid overwhelming the provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.